My name is Ellitsgaard and I'm the head chef here at Under, a restaurant that's submerged into the ocean 5.5 meters below sea level. Today I'm gonna cook for you one of our dishes with the mahogany clam. Mahogany clam is quite unique, I think. The oldest one that was ever found was 507 years old, alive. This one we are serving here is between the 60 to 100. If you want to know exactly the age, we can count the lines. I don't have time for that every day, so we skip that part. When we open it, I go in here with a spatula. And then there is a mussel right here that's coming out a lot of nice liquid. The liquid we will always save. Then there is another mussel here that you can open also. Then you get this nice mussel here. This is the one that we wanted to open. They're really tough. So here you see, when it is so fresh like this, I gonna cut it afterwards, but we have a prep team coming early in the morning and they open them so that we let them rest for 6 to 7 hours before we start to cut them. And the reason for this is to get rid of rigor mortis, so that the texture will be much more firm, and also if you cut it when it's so fresh, it will just curl in all directions. So by letting it rest, you will get much nicer pieces, and also better for the guests to enjoy. Sorry. So all the liquid we are saving for another dish. We boil it up, strain it, and then we dry it, so we get a salt out of it basically, and then we use it for another dish. So now this one here have been rested. Then I'm gonna cut it here. Then this part we save for other dishes or garums. And then I cut this in thin slices. Then in the dish here, we're gonna put here some tomato that is pickled, and then we dehydrated it, so it become like a kind of thick jam texture. Put in the mahogany slices. Then tomato water made out of a tomato called strawberry tomato. I think that has a really nice texture. And then we mix in some fermented tomato from another tomato that's called tomai tomato. It's much more aggressive in the acidity. And then to finish up the dish, we have some elderflower oil, just some drops, and a little bit of the mahogany to make it more shiny. Bravo. Then we put like this.